Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Queen Fatari, and today, as you may see, we are doing jumbo knotless back sprays in my hair. Okay, I've done knotless back sprays before, but in my sister's hair, so this is gonna be a first. Even doing back sprays, even in my hair, I usually do twists. So yeah, that's gonna be a little journey with us. It's a Sunday morning and I want to get my hair done before tomorrow. The stuff that you're gonna be needing to do your hair is obviously braiding hair. I have QueenB 40" in color 2 here with me today. I have 5 packs, but I'm pretty sure I could find other packs of hair in the my house if I needed to. And I have my clips, rat tail comb, and my Ebin gel. I actually have 2, but this one is full, so I might not need this one. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using in my hair today, and stay tuned. This is my Todd video on this page, and I need y'all to subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. Put on your notification bell, like and comment, and let me know what y'all want to see. My other 2 videos is on books, so if you're a book lover, make sure to check that out. I'm gonna be doing more book videos, but I'm trying to, you know, balance it out with stuff I do on the regular, like DIY stuff I do on the regular, as well as the books I read. So subscribe if you're into all of that, and let's just get right into it. Okay guys, so right here I'm pretty much just having my hair in twists the night before I washed my hair, and I'm just trying to take them out so that I can get ready and parting my hair. I am not parting my hair by myself. I'm having my mom part the back of my hair for me, so that's pretty much why I'm starting it. So I'm gonna comb out my twist like I said before and part it how I want it to be parted, and then she's just gonna clean it up for me. Also, look at my definition, guys. I will be doing some twist out videos and all those natural stuff, so stay tuned for all that. And like I said before, I'm just prepping my hair to get, you know, do the braids, and that's what you guys gonna be seeing in the next following clips. So I finally reached the front. I'm gonna put the front part into 2 buns. I had my mom pretty much just clean up the parts I made, which was 8 squares in the back, and then eventually you guys will see me do 6 squares in the front, but you guys will see me do that. Well, not really see me do it, but you'll see it later in the video. So this part of the video, you guys gonna see me doing my first 2 braids. It's not really the teaching part of the video, but as you can see right here, I am putting in my Ebin gel, and then I'm going to slick it down with my comb and then just start braiding. It's kind of like, I feel like this part of the video is kind of like a teaching moment on how I kind of did it wrong. Like I said, this is like my first time doing knotless back braids, just box braids period in my own hair. So this is what not to do, guys. So as you guys see, I'm braiding down my hair a couple times. Do not do that. You should probably do 1 braid and then install the hair, because then it looks more natural. Whereas where I did is that it starts off with, as you probably could see, it starts off with it being skinny from my hair, and then it gets thick, which doesn't necessarily look bad, but if you want it to look as clean as possible, do not do that. Okay guys, and then you see me installing the hair right now, and yeah, I'm gonna give you a more in-depth tutorial on what I did later in the video, so stay tuned for that. All in all, I know I had something special with you, but sometimes you just gotta know that you stay for
I used to be so happy, but without you here I feel so low. I watch you as you left, but I can never seem to let you go. Cause once upon a time you were my everything. It's clear to see the time hasn't changed a thing. It's buried deep inside me, but I feel there's something you should know.
So everything I did in the first braid is what I'm doing here. Like I said, do not braid down and dead on the hair. Braid probably once, do like one braiding motion once and then add the hair. It was really hard for me to do the braids in the back of my head, but I'm pretty sure with practice I will get it down. So I finally reached the front of my hair, and this is where the real lesson starts. First off, as you guys know, I'm going to put in my Ebin gel and of course clean it up. I hope this is as clear as possible for you guys for what I'm doing. So remember what not to do from what I said in the beginning. So right here I'm just splitting my hair into 3 like a regular braid. Hopefully you know how to braid. But yeah, I'm splitting my hair into 3 regular braids, and then I'm gonna insert the hair. So I did 1 braiding or twisting down motion, and then I'm just gonna add the hair in. And just you guys to give you exactly what I'm doing, I add 3 pieces or 3 to 4 pieces of hair for each braid. Therefore, each pack of the QueenB hair I got 2 braids from. So this is me installing the first piece of hair, and what you see me doing is I have the 3 pieces of my own hair, and then I add the braiding hair to the outer pieces and not to the middle pieces, and then I pretty much braid it in as normal. You see me doing it again, so hopefully the explanation or just what I'm doing is clear enough for you to understand. So I'm adding the hair again to the outer pieces. There's 3 pieces, there's 2 on the outer side, and I make sure it's flat to the top, and then I go downwards. Once I add in the first piece, there's usually that 1/3 piece that doesn't have hair to it. So when I add in the second piece, I make sure the hair that doesn't have hair to it is on the outer instead of the inner, so that it has like a more full effect and is more balanced that way, I find.
Let you go. 'Cause once upon a time you were my everything. It's clear to see the time hasn't changed a thing. It's buried deep inside me, but I feel there's something you should know.
You'll see me do this 2 more times because I added 4 pieces of hair to this 1 braid. Like I said, each braid usually, most of my braids contain 4 pieces of hair. I think the top of my head only had 3 though, but yeah, each braid contained 4 pieces of hair, and I got 2 braids out of 1 pack of my QueenB hair. Just repeating so you guys could know. And right here I'm smoothing down my hair. I found that when I smooth my hair down with the Ebin gel, it was just easy for me to grasp, plus it's easy to tuck. I'm not that good at the tucking method yet, but that helps a lot for me because my hair is coarse. Okay, I'm adding in the 3rd piece of hair. Like I said, I added to the outer pieces of that 3 rope braid that I'm doing. and then I pretty much just smooth it down to the top and then just add it seamlessly. It's really that simple. You do that from the top to the bottom. That's how you start your knotless braids, and you just keep on adding as much hair as you want until you finish the braid itself. And as you see, I'm not adding the hair, you know, too quick after each other. I do a couple braids down and then I add, and I do that so it could be even. So a lot to knotless braiding is balance. So you see how the braid looks here? My braids in the back, well, at least the starter, the first braids in the back of my head did not look that way because I can't see. And plus I'm getting a feel for it because the last time I did knotless braids was on my sister. This is the last time you guys gonna be seeing me doing the braid. You add it into the outer layers, you smooth it down, and then it's simple as that. I hope you guys understood. Everything that we do, you're all alone, and know I had something special with you, but sometimes just gotta know that you stay fall through. I can't hide my connection with you. I used to be so happy, but without you here, I feel so low. I watch you as you left, but I can never seem to let you go. So I'm just doing a quick braid all the way to the end, but not really fully all the way to the end because I want to add perm rods to my hair, the smaller one, to get the curly effect. So here you see me doing it. I'm gonna repeat it twice in the video so you can see that. I pretty much just take the end of my braid, wrap it around twice to get a nice little, you know, hold on the perm rod, and then I go upwards, and then I take the perm rod drawstring and clip it in so that it could stay. And I'm gonna do it a second time so you guys could see it. So wrap twice a little bit with the end of the hair, and then I wrap it up using the whole part of the perm rod. I'm not wrapping the hair on top of each other in one spot, but using the whole perm rod, and then I latch it in for keeping. Okay guys, this is how I did my jumbo knotless box braids. Like I said, this was my first time like doing box braids even on my own head. I hope you guys understood exactly what I did with the method I used. I think I got that method from a YouTuber that I was watching when I had to do my sister's hair last year in August. So I'll leave the person's name down so if you want to check that in case you didn't understand what I was doing on the motions that I was using when braiding the hair. But yeah, I would have videotaped me dipping my hair into the water and, you know, finishing it up and everything. These are how my curlies came out, just so you can know, from using the little perm rods. But yeah, I'm gonna just walk you through what I did when I did my hair. So I put some oil. Let me show you the oil. It doesn't really matter. I know people that say that they use baby oil, but I just put some natural castor oil, you know what I'm saying, into the water, and I did my hair probably like 10 times because I really did not want my curls to get messed up. Like, I was just like, I don't want it to look janky, so I was dipping it and dipping it and dipping it. So like I told you earlier in the video, I have 5 packs of 40-inch hair, but I might need to use more hair coming to the end, and I did need more hair. I needed 1 more pack. I used a 60-inch hair pack, and I was already in the front, and I was just like, so that means I had to chop it. So let me show you guys the ones. Like, she's not as cute because she's thick, because the hair is longer. I tried my best to like manage, and this is another 60-inch. Either way, hair came out cute. I really like it. Like I said, I used 6 packs of hair. When I finished, before I even take out the perm rods, after I dipped it, I moussed it. This is the mousse I used. I used the olive oil mega moisture, I think by Vigorol. I'm gonna show you right here. I'm gonna leave links for it. And then I was going to use pump it up spray, but the spray wasn't working because it is glue. This one almost wasn't working either, but I got it to work. So I sprayed a little bit of Gots to be glue, and then I went back in with my castor oil for the scalp, and I run some put some in my hands and run it through the braids, even though the ends already had oil from the dipping of water. It just came out really cute, and I really like my hair. Like, I really like it. This is probably how I'm gonna wear it. I don't know about wearing it. I don't think the side is gonna work. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. I really enjoy doing this because, you know, I want to make sure I'm cute. How to be cute but when you're broke. If you want to learn too, subscribe, boo. Put down in the comments if you enjoyed this video, anything that I left out that you need to know about how I did this hairstyle, and what other videos you'd like me to do. Bye guys, have a good one.